has better.
But Jesus died for us so we can have happy lives.
Yeah, girl, say it again. Jesus died for us. He saved us. Come on, preach now.
Jesus died for us so we can have good lives.
We can have a good life.
I love y'all. Thank you for YouTubers.
I'm using this attachment to my KitchenAid. We need 3 sticks of room temperature butter. Okay, Malia,
Whoa, this is so bad.
put it in there.
Whoa, what's that about?
Other one in there.
Yes.
Good job. Good job. And then 8 ounces of cream cheese. Make sure it's softened. Mix on low.
It tastes like slime, Mommy. Oh my God. It tastes like Jell-O.
And 3 cups of sugar.
3 cups of sugar.
1, 2, 3.
We got it. This smells good.
And 6 eggs. She got the other one. All right. And crack one and put it in there.
Right here?
Yep. Crack one and put it in there. 2. Crack it inside him, Melissa. So if you get any shells, I can take it out. Okay, put it in. Put yours inside them, Malia. No. Your egg in the bowl, baby. Oh my God, no!
Malia.
No! I think I got all the eggshells out. We're gonna hope I did.
Killing my hand. It's Jesus' birthday.
1 teaspoon of salt.
You almost said 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Vanilla. Now, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. This is the Mexican vanilla.
That we did last time. And
All right. We want to pour it in there.
Me.
One.
Molly.
Mala go first, and then Malia, you get to go next. 2. And lastly, 3 cups of flour.
Last time Mama helped us too.
Oh, Mommy making a mess.
Oh my gosh, it's in my sock.
I know, Mommy making a mess. 1. Where's she peed at, baby? I forgot to preheat the oven to 350, so I'm doing that now while this sit, and then we're gonna put it in a bundt pan. Let's clean up while we wait. Take your spray and heavily spray the inside of your pan. This one has flour in it, so it's perfect. Who won the game?
Dolphins winning by 6 points.
Cowboys better pull through. And then do this. Just so it can settle, I'm gonna wait till the oven gets hot, and then we're gonna bake it for 60 minutes to 75 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 1 hour. Now we wait. Okay, it's out the oven, still hot. I did put some toothpicks in it just to make sure that it was cooked all the way through, and it came out clean. So I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna cut this burnt part off, and we'll see the finished product. All right, it's cooled down, so let's flip it over. Came right out, yay! Again, you can cut this bottom part off. Probably should have done that first. I'm just gonna leave it on there, and they can cut it off when they eat it. But happy birthday, Jesus, and Merry Christmas, y'all. Have a happy new, wait, what? Just Merry Christmas.